Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm back over here at E's garage. We just swapped out the blow-off valve to a Gearhead Fabrications brand new blow-off valve because the stock one couldn't handle the pressure of the brand new Kong 2650 blower. And of course I forgot to record the removal of the top half of the blower, but we're going to catch the rest of him putting what's left back on there. Ain't that right, E? Simple. Yeah. So the brand new blow-off valve's already on there, and he's buttoning it back up, and we'll go from there. Putting my 1,000 plus horsepower cover back on there and make it look nice.
Can't even tell anything was done.
No, can't even tell it hardly. He's got to button it back up. But the problem was the stock blow-off valve will not handle the pressure and the airflow that the Kong 2650 blower creates, and it loses pressure. So we got a brand new one on, and we're going to button it back up. Make it look like nothing ever happened. But we're back over here at E's garage in Green Cove Springs, Florida. He's got a lot of stuff been happening here lately. We're going to take the hell's that called? We're going to drain there.
Oh, the Mighty Mouse catch can.
Yeah, we're going to take the catch can out. I hadn't taken it out in quite a while, and we're going to drain that, see how much is in there. Usually the only things in there is water.
Yeah. Should be fine motor. The motor seems good.
Yeah, hopefully. Hopefully it lasts for another day or two. Sound like somebody coming to see us. Happens every day.
Yeah. Perks of being on the main road now.
Yeah.
I wish I had fuel for this. I would have took you out on a run and
yeah. He just finished up a new build twin turbo. This thing is bad to the bone. You walk around there and show them the front end of it. This is a twin turbo Durango here. Is it a Trackhawk or what is it?
That's a Hellcat Durango.
Hellcat Durango. Twin turbo. How much?
2072s, dark block, AFR heads, custom ground.
Crank it up for him. Will it crank?
Yeah.
He's going to crank it up and let you hear it right quick. This thing is bad to the bone, fellas. This is a beast.
Might work better with the key.
Yeah. Getting out of your way. Trying to, at least.
I just got to finish up the plumbing.
Yeah, he's just now finishing this build up. I think it's going to run out of fuel. What do you think about that? He said this thing's an easy 8-second ride. That is bad to the bone. Woo! You can shut it off. Woo! What do y'all guys think of that? That's a treat. If he'd had some fuel here, he'd take us on a rip. But it is sucking fumes right now.
Yeah, that's what he wanted. He wanted to go fast.
Yeah, I think he's in for a treat there when he mashes that thing down.
Then see that damn needle go down. Gas gauge.
Oh, I know the feeling. We're going to take the Mighty Mouse catch can off and drainer. I haven't done it in a while.
I usually tell people every oil change.
Yeah. I've even been to the track a couple of times, I think. I think I did it right maybe before. There she goes. Oh, you take them with, I just lifted it up and I didn't even take those off last time.
Really? Some moisture in there.
Let's see what it does.
Yeah, mostly water.
100% water. Tells me the motor's in good shape.
Yeah, no oil.
Shoot, we're in great shape.
Yeah, I mean, that's just...
Well, you're going to have a little bit.
Yeah, I'll clean that out.
When do you want to do the front end?
Hmm?
When do you want to do the front end?
Or what?
On this, put the 15.
Oh, let me finish all these. Next week I should be clear. I got Ben's car coming later.
Where is Adam's car? I want those 15-inch tires. I want to roll one of my tires up against that first and see what the difference is.
He'll be here tomorrow.
Is he going to have a car?
Yeah, because we're going to load it up on the trailer. He wants to go to the track on Saturday morning.
This week?
Yeah, but he's going all the way to Orlando.
Okay.
He's sick. He's sick and tired of Gainesville and
I don't blame him.
the crappy track product.
Well, that's what I tried to tell you. You need to go on a race day. You cannot go with test and tune when they're doing open test. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Now we got, that was messed up from last time because they told us only
Radio.
only radio, and then we show up, it's
Open.
whatever you want. I just want to clean that up.
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to cut it short. All we're going to do is put this thing back together and head out. But what we did today is change the blow-off valve to a Gearhead Fabrications special blow-off valve. When you put the Kong 2650 on, expect to do that. And hopefully we don't lose any more pressure. We'll see the next time down the track if it picks up, because the dyno showed, didn't the dyno show that we were losing pressure?
It wasn't holding the bypass valve.
Okay.
The motor.
It wasn't holding it closed.
Yeah.
So we were losing pressure, so that means horsepower. So, all right, guys, appreciate everybody. Remember to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. We're out of here.